Hey Grandma, did you remember this? I got this for my 9th birthday from Great Grandpa Earl. Just dug it out of the basement. Okay,
I'm scared.
pull the string.
No, you do it.
Just pull it.
No. I get
Hey,
scared.
you have to hold the base. Leah's kind of a chicken. I found this on the bottom that my mom wrote. 1987. Enjoy!